Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to add additional fees to product categories in your My Dakis account. Here we are in our My Dakis account. Let's click on the settings icon in the left-hand menu to expand the settings drop-down panel. Next, we'll click on the taxes and fees drop-down to expand that menu, then select additional fees from the available options. This will open up the additional fees page where we can add any additional fees needed to our product categories. Fees can be assigned to a country as a whole, to a state, county, or city. In our case, we're going to choose New York State. Next, let's click the Add Region Add Fee button to open up the Configure New Additional Fee page. Let's click on the Country drop-down menu to open up the options and select the United States of America. Next, let's click the State Province drop-down and select New York. In the Fee Name section, let's add a name in both the English and French fields. We can use the same text for both. Let's add the text Environmental Handling Fees. Underneath that, in the Fee Calculation section, we can add the fee rate. We can either add a flat rate into the dollar field or a percentage. Let's add 0.99 as a flat rate. Keep the tax exempted box checked if you want the fee to have no tax applied. Next, let's move to the Merchandise Categories section. At the bottom of that section is a button marked Add Categories. Let's click that now. In the menu that opens, we can choose a category to apply our new rate to. Let's check the box for computer sketch tablets and then hit the Add button at the bottom of the menu. A message will appear at the bottom of the page letting us know the fee was added successfully. Lastly, let's click the Save button at the bottom of the page. We're all done. The new fee will now be applied to that product category. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.